Welcome back to Cars Trends, your go-to destination for the latest in automotive innovation. Today, we're exploring the 2026 Toyota Cressida, a legendary nameplate making a triumphant return after decades. The 2026 Cressida reimagines its classic roots with a modern twist. Its exterior showcases a bold front grille flanked by sleek LED headlights, giving it a commanding presence on the road. The sculpted body lines and aerodynamic profile not only enhance its visual appeal, but also improve fuel efficiency and handling. The rear features a continuous LED tail light bar, adding to its contemporary look. Inside, the Cressida offers a luxurious cabin adorned with premium materials and cutting-edge technology. The spacious interior features comfortable seating, a panoramic sunroof, and a state-of-the-art infotainment system with seamless smartphone integration. Advanced driver assistance systems ensure safety and convenience, making every journey enjoyable. Ambient lighting and customizable digital displays further elevate the driving experience. Under the hood, the Cressida is powered by a hybrid powertrain that combines performance with efficiency. While exact specifications are yet to be confirmed, expectations are high for a balance of power and eco-friendliness, aligning with Toyota's commitment to sustainable mobility. Rumors suggest a turbocharged V6 hybrid setup, delivering impressive horsepower and torque figures. In terms of market positioning, the 2026 Cressida is anticipated to compete with luxury sedans from established brands. Pricing details remain undisclosed, but it's expected to offer a compelling value proposition in its segment. In Pakistan, the Cressida is projected to be priced competitively, attracting buyers seeking a blend of luxury and performance. In conclusion, the 2026 Toyota Cressida marks a significant comeback, blending heritage with modernity. Its striking design, luxurious interior, and anticipated performance make it a strong contender in the luxury sedan market. If you enjoyed this overview of the 2026 Toyota Cressida, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Cars Trends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.